Just every time you're talking about Akwa Ibom, when you are from Igbo, then the person was like, can you teach me some greetings in Igbo language? I told the person, okay, fine, I'm going to do it as a video. Let me not just, I'm going to do it as a video so that other people that need it will learn. Then let me start from greetings. So, Ototo Oma is good morning, because anything that you see good is Oma. Anything that is good is Oma. So Ototo Oma, that's general Igbo. Ototo Oma is good morning. Ihe Oma is good afternoon. Abale Oma is good evening. Then when you go out, as you are coming back, they will not tell you. Some people will say no. Some people will say ebatana. Some people, that the meaning of that is welcome. The meaning of no, bataga. So the meaning is welcome. So these are some of the greetings that we have in Igbo language. We also have the one that we say thank you. Thank you, emailer or ebaliala. When somebody tell you thank you, you give the person something. It means emailer or ebaliala. Or when you do something for somebody, the person will be like emailer. The meaning of emailer is thank you. So my next video, I'm going to talk about a lot of things. So stay tuned in this page. If you are not Igbo, I'm going to say a lot of things that you will learn from Igbo tradition. I'm going to talk about a lot of things. So stay tuned in this page. Don't go anywhere.